morning. This is Chris from Midlife Travel Bug, and today we are in the lovely town of Seville, Spain. Follow me today and we'll show you some of the sights around this beautiful city in Spain. So we're just currently at the Seville Cathedral. So we'll go inside and see what that looks like, but pretty impressive from the outside. Unfortunately, right now they have part of it covered up as they're improving the building, but still just as impressive. So just to put it into size perspective, the camera, I can't even take a picture of this building from where I'm standing and get the whole thing in. It's so big, so take a look. Finished up walking through the Seville Cathedral, and the sheer size of it is quite impressive. It's so large, it's quite overwhelming at sometimes, but it's definitely worth coming to see. I don't think I've seen anything that grandiose. Actually, all these cathedrals are so special because they're all so different, but wow. I'm just currently in the courtyard with all the orange trees, the garden of the orange trees. So pretty beautiful. Looks like they have Segway tours through the city here as well. They also have a biking tour here. Horse carriages as well. Decided to take one of the horse carriages through the city. We're currently in a horse carriage traffic jam right now in the city. Showroom of clothes, apparently. And this is the Adalusia Park in the city. Do you know what year this was built?
From 1929.
Okay.
For exhibition.
So this plaza was built in 1929 for an exhibition. So we're just about to go up to the Setas de Sevilla, and it's the big wooden sculpture in the middle of the city. It's kind of funny because you walk through the old city and then it's just kind of right in the middle of it. You wouldn't expect it. I actually thought we were lost, but here we are. Las Setas de Sevilla is the largest wooden structure in the world. Its design was inspired by the ficus trees, the Plaza de San Pedro, And the vaults of the Seville Cathedral pieces are joined by almost 3,000 knots and 16 million screws and nails. Fun fact. So we're just at the top of the monument right now. You go through a queue, you wait, then you wait again, and then you go into a room where they show you a little bit of a video on Sevilla and the surrounding. It's kind of like a drone shot that takes you through a video, which is actually really, really beautiful. And now we're just walking around the passageway up on this monument. The views are pretty epic, and hopefully we can capture them even though it's nighttime. So this one was 15 euros per person. We tried to book online. You get a time slot. You need to book ahead. We did book a senior's ticket for my mom as we booked online. We got here and found out that unfortunately you have to be a citizen of Spain to get the discount as a senior. So just a heads up. So below this big wooden sculpture is actually a mercado, a market. So we're gonna just poke in there today. Pomegranate. Good market. They also have beer at the bar. So we just ordered vino della naranja. It's supposed to be wine with orange. So cheers. Churro and the chocolate. There are so many churches in this area. It's really hard to know. There's got to be a couple dozen churches or more. But when you just wander the old city, it's quite impressive that you just stumble across church after church. Absolutely beautiful. It looks like it was founded in 1249, so pretty old church. I don't know if we'll get a peek inside, but we'll certainly see if we can poke our head in. Definitely one of the best things to do in this city is to just wander around and get lost. We've been walking for quite a few hours and there's so much to see, so many beautiful squares and corners. I just want to say thanks again for watching this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Cheers! Dime dónde vas y